Let's be honest, 98% of people think personal finance is incredibly boring. Spreadsheets, budgets, and long lists of things you can't buy. Many look at this and think, no thanks, I'm good. The result is sad. 90% of people don't manage their money at all. And you know what? They're all trapped in the rat race. Some of you have probably heard this famous term already. You work more, earn more, but still have no money. It's a paradox. Even high incomes don't guarantee control over life. Luckily, you don't need a PhD in economics to manage money. All financial gurus' books boil down to 3 fundamental rules. Following them, you'll beat 90% of people financially. No complicated terms, guilt trips, or empty lectures. Just 3 simple steps that deliver real results. This isn't financial advice, but decades-proven math and psychology. Especially helpful if you're cleaning up your finances for the first time. Rule 1. 50-30-20, or a budget that doesn't suck. Forget tracking every penny in a notebook. It's a path to nervous breakdown. The essence is simple. 50% of your net income goes to needs: rent, mortgage, groceries, utilities, and minimum credit card payments. These are boring but essential expenses that ensure your survival. Next, 20%, your financial goals, the most important sector. Investments, 401k, retirement savings, and debt payoff go here. Finally, 30%, wants category, your fun. Yes, I didn't make a mistake. Entertainment is an official budget part. Restaurants, gadgets, spontaneous trips. This fuels your psyche. This ratio works because it's realistic, not perfect. Live in New York? Your needs might take 60% or 70%. Want early retirement? Increase investments to 30% or 40%. The biggest mistake of most is having no plan at all. By month's end, money just disappears into thin air. 50-30-20 rule creates a simple, automatic control system. You stop stressing over every little purchase. Like this system? Subscribe to the channel. Ahead, the most interesting part, making money work for you. Rule number 2. Boring investments. Many think investing is gambling, casino, adrenaline. But if your investments excite you, you're guaranteed to lose money. Warren Buffett said, "The market transfers money from the impatient to the patient." Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Let's look at the magic of numbers with a concrete example. Imagine investing just $100 per month. You buy S&P 500 index fund for 10 years. Over 10 years, you'll personally contribute $12,000 from your pocket. But thanks to market growth and interest, account will have about $23,000. $11,000 appeared from thin air. That's money working. S&P 500 index fund historically grows 10% per year on average. Despite crises, wars, recessions, the trend always goes up. Index fund means owning pieces of hundreds of best companies at once. Second success rule, automation. Set up auto payments, so you don't have to decide every month. And the hardest, leave account alone. Don't check it. You need to be mentally ready that account balance may drop temporarily. Studies show best investors are those who forgot their app password. But investments don't work if toxic debts drag you down. Compound interest works against you when you owe the bank. There are 2 main strategies to escape debt pit. First is the debt snowball method, a psychological approach. List all debts and pay off the smallest first. Interest rate doesn't matter. Main thing is quick win. This gives dopamine and motivation for bigger goals. Second strategy is the debt avalanche method, mathematical approach. Pay off debt with the highest interest rate first. Mathematically better. You'll pay the bank less overall. But no quick wins here. Needs iron patience. Need discipline? Use avalanche. Need motivation? Snowball. Main thing, pick one strategy and don't stop. Rule number 3. conscious spending. Most gurus scream no Starbucks, no avocado toast, but total austerity lifestyle makes you miserable. Behavioral economics proves strict bans lead to binges, like a crash diet ending in midnight binge. The best rule is spend big on what you love, ruthlessly cut spending on what you don't care about. Love travel? Buy tickets, but cook at home. Love luxury cars? Buy car, wear simple clothes. Identify 2 to 3 things that really make you happy. Direct money there. These are your quality of life investments. Aggressively save on everything else without embarrassment. Money should serve you, not you serve money. Let's summarize. 3 rules to escape the rat race. First, 50-30-20. Automate budget so you don't go crazy. Second, be boring investor. Index funds and time will make you rich. Third, spend consciously. Joy, yes. Junk, no. Got a friend stuck in the rat race? Send him this video. It could change his life. And subscribe to the channel. We have lots of useful info for you. See you in the next video. Good luck.